customer success manager is Natalie. I was looking at getting some predictive tools and reached out to Natalie about what was available for thermal imaging and acoustic imaging and some of the predictive programs that we had going on. Within weeks, I had Fluke representatives at our facility demonstrating those devices. She obviously was quite instrumental in the success of those predictive programs that we're trying to get set up. A lot of things change over time, whether we're negotiating renewals of contracts and understanding the difference between different models of eMaint's offering. And so Natalie's been a huge part of helping us understand what's in everyone's best interest to make sure all of our decisions are more win-win, versus in manufacturing we have a tendency to just put money where we feel pain and not really think about things probably in a cognitive, rational way typically. So she's been great with whether it be me or my purchasing team, helping us understand what the pros and cons are to your different offerings.